That's the new bowl Nana bought you, so you can't throw it. Yeah. Nana has not, however, figured out how to keep the cereal in the bowl, even if the bowl doesn't come off the tray. Did you do that?
No.
Did you? Did you throw it? Did you throw it?
Over.
You threw it over?
Over.
Nana bought you that bowl. I know. See? Nana bought you the bowl because you can't get it off. Yeah, but the whole tray lifts off, Nana. See? Look. The whole tray lifts up, Nana. Isn't that funny? That's funny, huh? You're supposed to keep this stuff right here in there. Stays in there. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. So, Jack, what did you think of Nana's bowl? What do you think of it? Do you like Nana's bowl? Do you? Yeah, Is it fabulous? Jack, is Nana's bowl fabulous? Do you think Zetto has a bowl like that? You think? Can you say Nana? Jack. Jack. Can you say Nana? How about Zetto? No? Zetto?